Hey again, let's talk in this video how we could debug our application Android. We could debug the Android application like any other application. We're still using IntelliJ IDE, so I could go here and hit add a breakpoint so to see this code running step by step, and I click debug. Here you go. Here you go, show me the app now, suppose. I would wait 4 seconds. So here you go, now this is the app. I could just hit this one and enter my database. So I say 1989, then I go and hit get. When I hit get, this one should get run step by step. I hope so. Let's hope. Yeah, here you go. So now I see it this way. So this is same console we see it in Kotlin. So now if I step over, step into, step over to see the output, step over it. So now you see the input was 1989 this field. I showed to you. The current year on the machine is 2019, hopefully. You see it in 2018. And this one, whatever your age is 30, just defining variable on everything. And here, just getting result back and show it to the, it's just as continuing. This is for debug the code. You could just hit enter to finish everything and show you the result in the output. So this is basically how we could debug step by step. It's similar to when you add a break condition, like what we did before. You could just run the code on a specific condition, or so on, so on. The one important thing I want to discuss here is the lookout. Lookout is just show you all the logs related to your app. You could print logs here if you want. It's very important if you want to print logs. So let me assume you want to print this log here. What you need to do, say, hey, I want to say log dot d. See, it doesn't finish, so I need to, it doesn't load. I click Control space, so it will load the log library. I click enter, dot d, dot debug, that's mean debug. Tag, I would say log me. You will see how important this one is in a second, and you just show him this is in the log. Now when someone click enter or click debug, whatever, just let me click just run and see. Here we go. So if I just go here and enter some database here, I say 189, whatever, then I click enter, I should see log get printed here, which is this log. See, you could search for this log here by say, okay, search for logs me. See, if you want to search specific log, that's so nice. What if there's an issue happen? Let me assume I just go to the LUI, and if you remember, our application accept only show you only keyboard number keyboard because we defined this one as a date. What if I define as a text? In this case, user could input text in the field. Let me just run. There we go. The app is running now. Now see the keyboard now don't show only a number, show a text. So now some user could enter text instead age. Now when I hit a click, it should give me error. The application should break. Why? Because you cannot enter this. I'm searching here for log. I just need to clear it to see what the output. So this was the wrong. See, this is the message telling me exactly where the error happened. Why the application not working. So if I just go to that line, I see, hey, yes, I read the data from the input and convert to the string, and he tell me, hey, your input was HDF. You cannot convert it to the string. I know Android is a bit complex logging system, or it is very, very hard to understand what the log mean. You need just go back, say, hey, okay, this is number format, this is HDF. Yeah, you cannot input HDF as a number. So you just go here and fix it. You just say, no, I'm not allowing number. This is date because I expect everything should be here as an integer. This is the way for you to see the output. Always when your application not running, make sure just go to this tab, clean this one, and search for only errors to be able to see only the errors. Okay, if it's not working, so you could go to the line that have an error and you go fix it directly. So the first one represent the error. Are we done? Thank you for watching.